guy just brought me some fries. Got a customer. I may get lost again. I probably won't. I probably will. Hey guys, so this video is going to start out just a little bit different. I'm currently in my shop right now, as you can see, but the lights are out. Wonder why? Well, we just had Hurricane Helene blow through, and we had millions of people out of power. I just got a notification on this camera right here that I got 5% battery left because I haven't been able to charge anything. But with that said, I have a show tomorrow. I have a craft show tomorrow, the Buttermilk Barn sale, and it wasn't called off, which is awesome, which is fine. And I'm about to load up the truck now and get ready for tomorrow. So let's get this thing going in the dark. Hopefully, I might have to wear a headlamp shortly, and that ain't gonna be fun. But there are a few things I do need to do before I get this thing loaded up. I do need to tag a few items, because these that you see hanging up here, they are definitely need to be tagged, and lanyard put on, rubber tips on the bottom, and then everything else. I'm taking these 3 stands, and I'm going to take these stands that should be sufficient. One good thing about having a Tacoma has this 110 plug right there that I'm going to hook a power strip to, and charge the stuff that I need. My card reader, hopefully they got signal out there where I can use that, and my batteries for my camera. I'll charge my phone here, and whatever else I can charge. Maybe I have some battery banks or whatever, just something that can hold my wife over tomorrow while I'm gone at the show. So all right, let's go. All right, so the first things first is all of these that are ready to go, tagged, and just they're the price that they're going to be. I'm going to put them guys in the truck. All the ones that are not tagged, or the price is off because I did some additions to them, I'm going to set those to the side and work on those after I get all these other ones loaded in the truck. But that's number one. Once I get these stands empty, I'm also going to empty these stands too. These are ones I need to work on. But once I get all these emptied, I'm going to stash those to the side, and I'm going to put those stands in the back of the truck. I got to go get my tarp. Not my tarp. Well, yeah, I got to get some tarps, and I got to get my tent. Also my dolly, because I really don't know the distance from parking or where they're going to stage me, or I don't know if I can pull the truck right up to my spot. I have no clue. But so dolly, stands, tent, some tarps just in case you don't know, my table, I got my chairs, and that's about it right now. I got my cash. This is the remnants of Hurricane Helene. I haven't had time to get this down today. I'll get that Sunday. And I know it's dark, and I'm sorry. So I did finally find a place where I can get some cash today. I'm only going to take like $100 and some mixed bills just so I can get some sales. I don't know if there's going to be any phone signal out there tomorrow where I can use my card reader. Hopefully there will be, but we'll find out. But I'm losing daylight, and I don't want to work with a headlamp, which I might have to end up doing that later on anyway. So let's go ahead and get these guys loaded. Alright, I busted out the headlamp now. But it's time for tagging and tagging. Oh, red lamp. Well, good morning. I know you can hardly see me. There we go. I am leaving very early this morning to go set up the show. Being hurricane ran through, I wasn't able to go set up yesterday. So I'm rushing over there with all my gear and all my stuff in the back of the truck and go setting up today, this morning. It's going to take like an hour to get there. So hopefully we'll be good to go. But anyway, guys, let's get on the road. on the way to the Buttermilk Barn sale right now, and because of Hurricane Helene, all the phone signals are out. So I never been there before. So GPS ain't working. Hopefully everybody else will have issues getting there too. That way I'll be kind of excused for possibly being a little bit late, but oh man, my cooler's open. All right guys, the GPS is back on. Hallelujah. So it says we got about 13 minutes until we get there, which will put us there at about 7:40. That should be enough time to set up, quote unquote, at least get all my stuff unloaded and the tent set up. I can easily rearrange under the tent by that time. But thankfully that's good. Oh, I got full signal now, LTE and full signal. Oh, it's good up here. So hopefully that's working. The signal's working where I'll be at, so I can use my lovely little card reader just in case some folks need to use that. That'd be great. That'd be way easier than 100% cash. But anyway, let's get after it, guys, because I am excited to get there. The sunrise is beautiful this morning. So I'm here now.
Your destination is on the left.
All right, so I'm sitting here waiting on the next customer, and that food truck right there, or that food trailer, guy just brought me some fries, and now I'm just here watching the concert going on that front porch right there. So I'm gonna walk around a little bit, stretch my legs just to see what's around. I haven't been able to walk around yet, so we'll see. There's obviously chickens.
We're gonna rock this town and make them scream and shout. Well, let's rock, rock, rock.
Just know that if you guys do craft shows, you are going to have some downtime. But this time around, being we just had that hurricane roll through, most folks are still at their homes without power and whatnot. Some of the folks I heard come from today. How you doing?
Hi, good. How are you?
Good. Thank you. Got a customer. Now this is the definition of you bite off more than you can chew. I was testing out the strength of a oak walking stick, and I put a little too much pressure behind a stick that is a little bit too skinny. Broke it in half. Oh well, still got a sale. That's the good part about it. Now I got two bonkers I can make out of it, two self-defense clubs that I got stashed right there. Thank you, sir. All right, the show's over and it's time to pack it up. The benefit of these water jug holders is I'll throw all the sticks in there and get a dolly and tote it all to the truck, which is just right there. All my other ones, that's the tall ones, they can't really fit in the back seat anyway. I'll throw those in the front seat with me. But all these will get shoved in the back. These will get emptied, shoved in the back, and I'll be good to go. Get it loaded. that's a pile. All right, it's time to get the storage bins and the rest of everything in the back. All right, so we're all packed up, ready to go. Got my stands in there. That's where we were. And everybody else is about cleared out of here. There's a few other vendors left over still packing up. And I've learned, let me get the truck. I've learned whenever you're packing up for your show, don't be in a rush to get out, because it is crazy getting out of here. Whenever all the vendors are trying to get up, get out, get all their vehicles in and everything like that. So it's best just to take your time. I understand everybody's in a rush to get back, but yeah, it's best to take your time. All right, so here we go again. And I will say that my GPS is not working right now. No signal again. So I may get lost again. I probably won't. I probably will. There's trees down everywhere. Well, I'm sitting in the gas line right now. There's been a gas shortage since the Hurricane Helene cut a swath through all of Georgia and went and flooded Tennessee and North Carolina out. We've had no power down here, and we haven't been able to pump gas at all. Now, luckily, they have power here, and there has been a few other gas station and restaurants that I've seen open that do have power. I'm in Statesboro, Georgia right now on the way back home, so I figured I'd stop and try to top off as much as I can. They probably have us capped off on the amount of gas we can get, but we'll see. I've been here for about 20 minutes, not too bad, and I'm next in line, so we'll see how it goes. I think I got it prepaid first. I mean, they got powers, but I don't know if they're taking card or not. I hope they take card. I mean, I got some cash just in case, but we'll see. Thankfully, I'm turning right here, but this red light is out, so that is a pain to do that. Like, gotta do 4-way stops for 8 different lanes and 4 different turning lanes. I've seen multiple wrecks already today, and I'm just in one city. But this is a straightaway all the way home, pretty much. All right, I'm up at my first red light. It is definitely not working. I can already see where 2 on this side. I'm not even sure the other side, but 2 have already blown off. Okay, we're good. And that's red lights on the ground right there. They completely blown out. And a big old billboard on the ground. All right, I have made it home. I'm backing in now so I can unload everything. Made it home safely throughout all the crazy traffic and the red lights being out. I'm glad I'm home. So I'm gonna go inside and see my family. Like I said, guys, I'm home now, ready to go inside and relax. All right, so the sun has set and it's getting dark outside now, and it's getting dark inside because we ain't got no power. I have my truck hooked up to like a lamp. That's that light you see there. I'm out here chilling with my pupper. She's getting gray. She's about 12 years old. But the show was great, like I said, and I'll go again next year. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Get out there, have fun, and keep sticking to it. Peace out.